who was sworn in as the Chief Information Commissioner of India in December 2025? Correct answer is option A, Raj Kumar Goyal, who has been appointed as Punjab National Bank's first ever female brand ambassador in December 2025. Correct answer is option B, Harmanpreet Kaur, who has taken charge as the chairman of the Central Board of Indirect Taxes and Customs in November 2025. Correct answer is option A, Vivek Chaturvedi, who has been appointed as the new Director General of Bureau of Indian Standards in November 2025. Correct answer is option B, Sanjay Garg, who took oath as the 53rd Chief Justice of India in November 2025. Correct answer is option A, Justice Surya Kant, who has been appointed as the first woman Vice Chancellor of Nagpur University in 2025. Correct answer is option D, Manali Makarand Chirsagar, who has been appointed as the new Controller General of Defense Accounts. Correct answer is option C, Vishwajit Sahai, who has taken charge as the new Director General Inspection and Safety of Indian Air Force on 1st December 2025. Correct answer is option D, Air Marshal Tejbir Singh. Which Indian sportsperson was conferred the honorary rank of Lieutenant Colonel in the Territorial Army? Correct answer is option D, Neeraj Chopra, who has been appointed as the new Executive Chairman of NALSA in November 2025. Correct answer is option A, Justice Vikram Nath, who assumed charge as Financial Advisor of Defense Services on 1st November 2025. Correct answer is option A, Rajkumar Arora, who has taken charge as 35th Director General of the National Cadet Corps. Correct answer is option C, Lieutenant General Birendra Vats, who was appointed as the brand ambassador for the World Para Athletic Championship 2025. Correct answer is option C, Kangana Ranaut, who has been appointed as the new president of ASSOCHAM. Correct answer is option B, Nirmal Kumar Minda, who has been appointed as the brand ambassador of Viksit Bharat Buildathon 2025. Correct answer is option A, Shubhanshu Shukla, who has been appointed as a whole-time member of SEBI in November 2025. Correct answer is option A, Sandeep Pradhan, who has been appointed as Apple's new Vice President of AI in December 2025. Correct answer is option D, Amar Subramanya, who has been appointed as the new Chief Medical Officer of NCCN in December 2025. Correct answer is option C, Renuka Iyer, who took oath as the 15th Vice President of India. Correct answer is option A, CP Radhakrishnan, who has been elected as the new President of BCCI. Correct answer is option B, Mithun Manhas, who was appointed as the Deputy Governor of Reserve Bank of India in October 2025. Correct answer is option B, Shirish Chandra Murmu, who has been appointed as the new Managing Director of Puma India from December 2025. Correct answer is option B, Ram Prasad Sridharan, who assumed charge as the new Director General of the Central Industrial Security Force. Correct answer is option B, Praveer Ranjan, who has been appointed as the new Telecom Secretary of India in November 2025. Correct answer is option B, Amit Agrawal, Who has been appointed as the new president and CEO of Reliance Retail Ventures Limited in December 2025? Correct answer is option A, Jayendran Venugopal. What role has Cristiano Ronaldo taken up with Perplexity AI in December 2025? Correct answer is option B, investor and brand ambassador. Which Indian cricketer has been named the official ambassador of the English Premier League in India? Correct answer is option C, Sanju Samson. Who assumed charge as the commandant of the College of Defence Management, Secunderabad? Correct answer is option A, Major General G. Srinivas. Who has been appointed as the first Deputy Managing Director of the International Monetary Fund effective from 6th October 2025? Correct answer is option C, Dan Katz. Who has been appointed as the new Controller General of Accounts? Correct answer is option B, TCA Kalyani. Who has been appointed as the new Secretary to Vice President CP Radhakrishnan? Correct answer is option B, Amit Khare. Who was sworn in as the new Chief Justice of Bombay High Court? Correct answer is option C, Justice Shri Chandrasekhar. Who has been appointed as the new Director General of Indo-Tibetan Border Police? Correct answer is option C, Praveen Kumar. Who has been appointed as the new President of FICCI? Correct answer is option C, Anand Goyanka. Who assumed charge as the first woman Director General of the Railway Protection Force in August 2025? Correct answer is option B, Sonali Mishra. Who has been appointed as the new Director of the Vikram Sarabhai Space Center? Correct answer is option C, Dr. A. Rajarajan. Who took charge as the 47th Vice Chief of the Naval Staff in August 2025? Correct answer is option B, Vice Admiral Sanjay Vatsayan. Who has been reappointed as the Attorney General of India? Correct answer is option C, R. Venkatramani. Who has been appointed as the Executive Director of the International Monetary Fund? Correct answer is option A, Urjit Patel. Who has taken charge as the new Chief of RAW? Correct answer is option A, Parag Jain. Who has been appointed as the new Chairman of the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India? Correct answer is option A, Ajay Seth. Who was appointed as the India's first ever mental health ambassador by the Union Ministry of Health and Family Welfare? Correct answer is option B, Deepika Padukone. Who was appointed as the new Commissioner of Delhi Police in August 2025? Correct answer is option A, Satish Golcha. Who has taken charge as the new chairman of UPSC in May 2025? Correct answer is option A, Dr. Ajay Kumar. Who has been appointed as the Chief Executive Officer of the International Cricket Council? Correct answer is option B, Sanjog Gupta. Who was reappointed as the chairman of the Central Board of Direct Taxes till June 2026? Correct answer is option D, Ravi Agrawal. Who was appointed as the new governor of Haryana in July 2025? Correct answer is option B, Ashim Kumar Ghosh. Who has been appointed as the new Director General of the Shasastra Seema Bal? Correct answer is option B, Sanjay Singhal. Who took charge as the Vice Chief of Army Staff in August 2025? Correct answer is option B, Lieutenant General Pushpendra Singh. Who became the first woman officer to serve as an aide-de-camp to the President of India? Correct answer is option C, Lieutenant Commander Yashashvi Solanki. Who has been appointed as the Director Engineering and R&D at Hindustan Aeronautics Limited? Correct answer is option D, Ajay Kumar Srivastav. Who has been appointed as the new CEO of Sansad TV? Correct answer is option A, Utpal Kumar Singh. Who has been appointed as the first woman Vice Chancellor of IGNOU? Correct answer is option B, Professor Uma Kanjilal. Who has been appointed as the new director of the Prime Minister's Museum and Library? Correct answer is option B, Ashwani Lohani. Who has been appointed as the Secretary of the Department of Revenue in the Ministry of Finance? Correct answer is option B, Arvind Srivastav. Who has been appointed as the new Director General of the Bureau of Civil Aviation Security? Correct answer is option B, Rajesh Nirwan. Who was appointed as Managing Director and CEO of Life Insurance Corporation of India? Correct answer is option B, R. Doraiswamy. Who assumed command of the Indian Naval Academy on 1st August 2025? Correct answer is option B, Vice Admiral Manish Chadda. Who has been appointed as the new Controller General of Communications Accounts in 2025? Correct answer is option C, Vandana Gupta. Who has been appointed as the Lieutenant Governor of Ladakh in July 2025? Correct answer is option C, Kavinder Gupta. Who has been appointed as the new Executive Director of the Reserve Bank of India in July 2025? Correct answer is option B, Keshwan Ramchandran. Who has been appointed as the new Director of Botanical Survey of India? Correct answer is option C, Dr. Kanad Das. Who has been appointed as the new Chairman of the BRICS Chamber of Commerce and Industry in May 2025? Correct answer is option B, Harvansh Chawla. Who has taken charge as the 26th Chief Election Commissioner of India? Correct answer is option D, Ganesh Kumar. Who has been appointed as the CEO and Managing Director of Hindustan Unilever Limited? Correct answer is option A, Priya Nair. Who has been elected as the new President of the Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank? Correct answer is option B, Zhou Ziai. Who has been appointed as the Global Tourism Ambassador for Maldives? Correct answer is option A, Katrina Kaif. Pushpati Ashok Gajapati Raju has been appointed as Governor of which state on 14th July 2025? Correct answer is option B, Goa. Who has been appointed as the new Chairman of the Securities and Exchange Board of India? Correct answer is option C, Tuhin Kant Pandey. Who has been appointed as the Chief Executive of the India Semiconductor Mission? Correct answer is option C, Amitesh Kumar Singh. Who has been appointed as the Deputy Chief of Army Staff Strategy? Correct answer is option A, Lieutenant General Rajiv Ghai. Who was appointed as the new Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of SBI Cards and Payment Services? Correct answer is option B, Salila Pandey. Who has been appointed as the CEO of the Oman India Joint Investment Fund in April 2025? Correct answer is option A, Satish Chhawa. Who has assumed charge as the Chief Executive of the Indian Banks Association in 2025? Correct answer is option B, Atul Kumar Goyal. Who took charge as the first woman secretary of the Department of Legal Affairs in March 2025? Correct answer is option C, Anju Rathi Rana. Who has been appointed as the new director of the Institute of Economic Growth in 2025? Correct answer is option D, Sabyasachi Kar. Who assumed charge as the new managing director and head of Meta in India in July 2025? Correct answer is option C, Arun Srinivas. Zomato partnered with which celebrity as their new brand ambassador? Correct answer is option B, Shah Rukh Khan. Who was appointed as the Chief Operating Officer of Apple in July 2025? Correct answer is option B, Sabih Khan. Who has been appointed as the new chairman of the Fertilizer Association of India? Correct answer is option B, Sailesh C. Mehta. Who has been appointed as the new Ombudsman and Ethics Officer of the Board of Control for Cricket in India? Correct answer is option B, Justice Arun Mishra. Who has been appointed as a part-time member of the 16th Finance Commission by the President of India? Correct answer is option C, T. Ravi Shankar. Who has been appointed as the new brand ambassador for Audi India? Correct answer is option B, Neeraj Chopra. Who has been appointed as India's new ambassador to Sweden in May 2025? Correct answer is option B, Anurag Bhushan. Who was appointed as the Chief Justice of the Manipur High Court in May 2025? Correct answer is option D, Justice K. Somshekhar. Who has been appointed as the new chairman of the Economic Advisory Council to the Prime Minister? Correct answer is option B, S. Mahendra Dev. Who has been appointed as the new chairman of the reconstituted National Security Advisory Board in April 2025? Correct answer is option A, Alok Joshi. Who has been appointed as the brand ambassador for Oakley in India in May 2025? Correct answer is option B, Shubhaman Gill. Who has been appointed as the chairperson of the 23rd Law Commission of India? Correct answer is option C, retired Justice Dinesh Maheshwari. Who has been appointed as the private secretary to Prime Minister Narendra Modi? Correct answer is option A, Nidhi Tiwari. Who has been appointed as the president of the Asian Cricket Council? Correct answer is option C, Mohsin Naqvi. Who recently became the first woman president of the International Olympic Committee? Correct answer is option C, Kirsty Convent-Rai. Who has been appointed as the new secretary of the Department of Agriculture Research and Education and Indian Council of Agriculture Research? Correct answer is option D, Dr. Mangi Lal Jat. Who has been appointed as the chairperson of the Indian Weightlifting Federation Athletes Commission? Correct answer is option D, Mirabai Chanu. Who has been appointed as the new CEO of UIDAI in January 2025? Correct answer is option B, Bhuvanesh Kumar. Who has been appointed as the new chairperson of the Pension Fund Regulatory and Development Authority? Correct answer is option B, Siva Subramanian Raman. Who has been appointed as the new Deputy Governor of Reserve Bank of India in April 2025? Correct answer is option B, Poonam Gupta. Who was appointed as the CEO of the Government e-Marketplace? Correct answer is option B, Ajay Bhadu. Who has been appointed as a full-time member of Niti Aayog? Correct answer is option A, Rajiv Gaba. Who has been appointed as the new chairman of the Indian Space Research Organization? Correct answer is option C, Dr. V. Narayanan. Who has been appointed as the managing director and chief executive officer of IFCI Limited? Correct answer is option B, Rahul Bhave. Who has been appointed as the new Director General of the Central Reserve Police Force in January 2025? Correct answer is option C, Gyanendra Pratap Singh. Who has been appointed as the Principal Secretary Second to Prime Minister Narendra Modi in February 2025? Correct answer is option A, Shaktikant Das. Who has been appointed as the Chairman and Managing Director of the Food Corporation of India in January 2025? Correct answer is option B, Ashutosh Agnihotri. Who has been elected as the new chairman of GSM Association? Correct answer is option B, Gopal Vittal. Who has been elected as the new chairman of Indian National Trust for Art and Cultural Heritage? Correct answer is option D, Ashok Singh Thakur. Who has been appointed as the new chancellor of NIIT University? Correct answer is option B, Amitabh Kant. Who has been appointed as the chairman and CEO of the Railway Board? Correct answer is option D, Satish Kumar. Who has been named the Fit India icon by the Union Sports Minister in March 2025? Correct answer is option C, Ayushman Khurrana. Who has been appointed as the new vice chairman of Tractors and Farm Equipment Limited? Correct answer is option B, Dr. Lakshmi Venu. Who was sworn in as the ninth director of the Federal Bureau of Investigation? Correct answer is option B, Kash Patel. Who has been appointed as the new CEO of Standard Chartered India? Correct answer is option C, P.D. Singh. Who has been appointed as the executive director of the Reserve Bank of India in March 2025? Correct answer is option D, Indranil Bhattacharya. Who has been elected as a bureau member of United World Wrestling Asia? Correct answer is option D, Sanjay Kumar Singh. Who has been appointed as the chairman of Tata Communications in March 2025? Correct answer is option C, N. Ganpati Subramaniam. Who has been appointed as the first woman aide de camp to any Indian governor? Correct answer is option A, Squadron Leader Manisha Padi. Which team won the Syed Mushtaq Ali Trophy 2025? Correct answer is option C, Jharkhand. Who won the FIFA Men's Player of the Year 2025? Correct answer is option B, Osman Dembele. Which team did India defeat in the final of the WSF Squash World Cup 2025? Correct answer is option C, Hong Kong. Who won the Under 19 Men's Cricket Asia Cup 2025? Correct answer is option B, Pakistan. How many medals did India win at the 2025 FEI Asian Equestrian Championship? Correct answer is option C, 5. Which Indian city will host the Commonwealth Games 2030? Correct answer is option C, Ahmedabad. Which university won the Khelo India University Games 2025 championship? Correct answer is option B, Chandigarh University. Which athlete was the most successful at the Khelo India University Games 2025? Correct answer is option B, Shri Hari Nataraj. Where was the 70-foot tall iron statue of Lionel Messi unveiled during his visit to India? Answer is option D, Kolkata. Which team won the 12th season of Pro Kabaddi League? Correct answer is option C, Dabang Delhi. Who has been named the official brand ambassador for ICC Men's T20 World Cup 2026? Correct answer is option B, Rohit Sharma. Which country will host the first Commonwealth Kho-Kho Championship in March 2026? Correct answer is option D, India. Which Indian bowler became the first to take 100 wickets in all three international formats? Answer is option D, Jasprit Bumrah. Which team won the Women's Kabaddi World Cup 2025? Correct answer is option B, India. Who won the Formula One World Championship 2025? Correct answer is option C, Lando Norris. Which country won the Davis Cup in 2025? Correct answer is option B, Italy. Who won the 2025 Australian Open Super 500 title in Sydney? Correct answer is option B, Lakshya Sen. Ravindra Jadeja achieved which historical milestone in Test cricket and became the fourth player to do so in Test cricket history? Correct answer is option B, 4,000 runs and 300 wickets. Which country emerged as the top nation at the 24th Asian Archery Championship 2025? Correct answer is option C, India. The trophy of the FIDE Chess World Cup 2025 has been renamed after which Indian chess legend? Correct answer is option B, Vishwanathan Anand. India finished 6th in the medal tally by winning how many medals in the Asian Youth Games 2025? Correct answer is option C, 48. Who became the first Indian para archer to join the able-bodied national team? Correct answer is option A, Sheetal Devi. Who became the youngest officially rated chess player in the world in 2025? Correct answer is option D, Sarvagya Singh Kushwaha. Against which team did Virat Kohli score his 52nd ODI century and became the highest century maker in a single format of cricket? Correct answer is option C, South Africa. What was India's overall rank in the ISSF World Championship Rifle Pistol 2025? Correct answer is option C, third. Which team won the 41st All India Governors Gold Cup 2025? Correct answer is option A, Rajasthan United Football Club. Who has been appointed as a torch bearer for the Milano Cortina Winter Olympics 2026? Correct answer is option B, Abhinav Bindra. Who won the first ever Blind Women's T20 World Cup in 2025? Correct answer is option C, India. Which country emerged as the most successful nation at the 2025 Asian Archery Championship? Correct answer is option C, India. Which Indian chess grandmaster won the FIDE Circuit 2025? Correct answer is option C, Ramesh Babu Pragnanda. Who became the joint most expensive uncapped players in the IPL auction history? Correct answer is option B, Prashant Veer and Karthik Sharma. Who won the ICC Women's ODI World Cup 2025? Correct answer is option C, India. Who won the FIDE World Cup 2025 and became the youngest FIDE World Cup champion? Correct answer is option B, Javokhir Sindaro. Who became India's 91st chess grandmaster? Correct answer is option A, Rahul VS. Which country won the 14th FIH Men's Junior Hockey World Cup 2025? Correct answer is option D, Germany. Who won the 2025 Under-19 Women's T20 World Cup? Correct answer is option C, India. According to the Brand Finance Football 50 report in 2025, which football club was named the world's most valuable? Correct answer is option D, Real Madrid. Who won the FIFA Women's Player of the Year 2025? Correct answer is option B, Etana Bonmati. Who set a new world record for the most success in one-day international cricket in 2025? Correct answer is option D, Rohit Sharma. Who became the first cricketer to score a 50 and bag 5 wickets in a World Cup knockout game? Correct answer is option C, Dipti Sharma. Which team won the 125th Indian Football Association Shield 2025? Correct answer is option B, Mohan Bagan Super Giant. Who has been honored with the CNN News 18's Indian of the Year 2025 for outstanding achievement? Correct answer is option C, Jay Shah. Who won the main singles title at US Open 2025? Correct answer is option A, Carlos Alcaraz. Who became India's 27th Women Chess Grandmaster? Correct answer is option A, Isha Sharma. Which Indian city hosted the 11th Aquatics Championship 2025? Correct answer is option B, Ahmedabad. Which team won the Durand Cup 2025? Correct answer is option C, Northeast United Football Club. What was India's rank in the medal tally of BWF World Junior Mixed Team Championship 2025 held in Guwahati, Assam? Correct answer is option D, 5th. Where was the FIDE World Cup 2025 held? Correct answer is option C, Goa. Who won the Sultan of Johor Cup 2025? Correct answer is option D, Australia. Who won the Men's Ballon d'Or Award 2025? Correct answer is option B, Osman Dembele. Who became the first Indian to win a medal in Wushu at the World Games? Correct answer is option B, Namrata Batra. Who was named ICC Men's Player of the Month for November 2025? Correct answer is option A, Simon Harmer. How many medals did India win at the Commonwealth Senior Weightlifting Championship 2025? Correct answer is option B, 13. Which Indian boxer won a gold medal in the 48 kg category at the World Boxing Championship 2025? Correct answer is option C, Meenakshi Huda. Which state was the host of the 38th National Games 2025? Correct answer is option B, Uttarakhand. India won the Cricket Asia Cup 2025 by defeating which team in the final? Correct answer is option D, Pakistan. Who won the ATP Finals title for the second consecutive year? Correct answer is option C, Yannick Sinner. Which team won the 62nd edition of the Dilip Trophy in 2025? Correct answer is option C, Central Zone. Who has been honored with the Dronacharya Award in 2025? Correct answer is option D, both A and B, Dipali Deshpande and Armando Colaco. Who is the author of the book The Rise of the Hitman, The Rohit Sharma Story? Correct answer is option C, R. Kaushik. Where was the World Para Athletics Championship 2025 held? Correct answer is option D, New Delhi. Here is the winners list. Which state topped the medals tally at Khelo India Youth Games 2025? Correct answer is option C, Maharashtra. Who has been elected as the new president of BCCI? Correct answer is option B, Mithun Manhas. Where was the 12th edition of World Games 2025 held in August? Correct answer is option D, Chengdu, China. Which country has topped the medal tally at the 4th South Asian Senior Athletics Championship 2025 held in Ranchi? Correct answer is option D, India. Which city hosted the Men's Hockey Asia Cup 2025? Correct answer is option A, Rajgir, Bihar. When is National Sports Day celebrated in India? Correct answer is option D, 29th August. Where was the first edition of Kho-Kho World Cup 2025 held? Correct answer is option A, New Delhi. Which team topped the medal table at the Khelo India Winter Games 2025? Correct answer is option C, Army. Who won the Clutch Chess Championship Showdown 2025? Correct answer is option D, Magnus Carlsen. Who won the ICC Men's Champions Trophy 2025? Correct answer is option D, India. Which team won the Women's Premier League 2025? Correct answer is option B, Mumbai Indians. Which city hosted the Asia Rugby Under 20 Championship 2025 in August? Correct answer is option D, Rajgir. Where was the first ever Khelo India Water Sports Festival held? Correct answer is option C, Dal Lake, Srinagar. Who set a new national record in the men's 100-meter sprint in July 2025? Correct answer is option B, Animesh Kujur. Who became the first Indian woman to win the FIDE Women's Chess World Cup? Correct answer is option D, Divya Deshmukh. How many players have been awarded the Khel Ratna Award for the year 2024? Correct answer is option C, 4. Which team topped the medal table at the Khelo India Para Games 2025? Correct answer is option B, Haryana. Who set a new world record in the men's F42 javelin throw with a distance of 61.17 meters in May 2025? Correct answer is option B, Mahendra Gurjar. In which country was the Asian Athletics Championship held in 2025? Correct answer is option C, South Korea. Who inaugurated the first edition of the Khelo India Beach Games in May 2025? Correct answer is option C, Mansukh Mandviya. Who was named Player of the Series from India in the Anderson Tendulkar Trophy 2025? Correct answer is option C, Shubman Gill. Where was the India Open Badminton 2025 held? Correct answer is option A, New Delhi. Who won the men's 5000 meter and 10,000 meter gold medal at the Asian Athletics Championship 2025? Correct answer is option D, Gulveer Singh. Who won the main singles title at Wimbledon 2025? Correct answer is option A, Yannick Sinner. Where was the second Indian Open Relay Competition 2025 held? Correct answer is option D, Chandigarh. Where was the Asian Yogasan Sports Championship 2025 held? Correct answer is option C, New Delhi. Who won the World Test Championship 2025? Correct answer is option B, South Africa. Who won the Esports Chess World Cup 2025? Correct answer is option A, Magnus Carlsen. Who won the South Asian Football Federation Under-19 Football Championship 2025? Correct answer is option C, India. Who won the Superbet Chess Classic 2025 held in Bucharest, Romania? Correct answer is option C, R. Pragnanda. Who won the Kabaddi World Cup 2025 by defeating England? Correct answer is option C, India. Which Indian cricketer was inducted into the ICC Hall of Fame in June 2025? Correct answer is option C, Mahendra Singh Dhoni. What was Neeraj Chopra's throw distance at the 2025 Doha Diamond League? Correct answer is option C, 90.23 meters. Which team won the Indian Premier League 2025 by defeating Punjab Kings? Correct answer is option A, Royal Challengers Bangalore. Which Indian archery pair won gold in the compound mixed team event at the Archery World Cup Stage 1 in 2025? Correct answer is option C, Jyoti Surekha Vennam and Rishabh Yadav. Which Indian team made history by winning gold at the 2025 Sepak Takraw World Cup? Correct answer is option C, Men's Regu team. Where was the Sepak Takraw World Cup 2025 held? Correct answer is option C, Patna, Bihar. Who won the men's singles title at Australian Open 2025? Correct answer is option C, Yannick Sinner. Where was the World Para-Athletics Grand Prix 2025 held? Correct answer is option C, New Delhi. Who won gold medal at the Asian Wrestling Championship 2025? Correct answer is option C, Manisha Bhamala. Which Indian equestrian won first place at the Azolf CSI Lyre Competition 2025 held in Belgium? Correct answer is option B, Niharika Singhania. Who won the gold medal for India at the World Boxing Cup Brazil 2025 in the 70 kg category? Correct answer is option B, Hitesh Gulia. Who was reappointed as the chairperson of the ICC Men's Cricket Committee in April 2025? Correct answer is option C, Saurav Ganguly. Which Indian shooter won gold in the men's 10-meter air rifle event at the ISSF World Cup 2025 in Buenos Aires? Correct answer is option B, Rudraksh Balasaheb Patil. Who won the Freestyle Chess Grand Slam 2025 in Paris? Correct answer is option D, Magnus Carlsen. Which Indian pair won gold in the 10-meter air pistol mixed team event at the ISSF World Cup 2025 held in Lima, Peru? Correct answer is option C, Inder Singh Suruchi and Saurabh Chaudhary. Who won the women's singles title at the Miami Open 2025? Correct answer is option C, Arina Sabalenka. Who became the first Indian to win a gold medal at the Asian Under-18 Athletics Championship in Javelin? Correct answer is option C, Himanshu Jakhad. Which football club won the I-League 2024-25 title? Correct answer is option C, Churchill Brothers Football Club, Goa. Which team won the Ranji Trophy 2024-25? Correct answer is option D, Vidarbha. Who has won the women's singles title at Indian Open 2025 PSA Cooper event? Correct answer is option C, Anahat Singh. Where was the Asian Wrestling Championship 2025 held? Correct answer is option A, Amman, Jordan. Who won the 6th Asian Women's Kabaddi Championship in 2025 by defeating Iran? Correct answer is option A, India. Who became the fastest batter to reach 14,000 ODI runs? Correct answer is option B, Virat Kohli. Who became the youngest player to score century in IPL history? Correct answer is option B, Vaibhav Suryavanshi. Who won the gold medal at the European Chess Club Cup 2025? Correct answer is option A, Gukesh Domaraju. Where was the Asian Track Cycling Championship 2025 held? Correct answer is option C, Malaysia. Who won the Asian Snooker Championship 2025? Correct answer is option B, Pankaj Advani. Which team won the Indian Super League 2025? Correct answer is option C, Mohan Bagan Super Giant. Which country will host the first Olympic esports games in 2027? Correct answer is option C, Saudi Arabia. Who broke the world half marathon record in Barcelona, finishing the 21.0975 km race in 56 minutes and 42 seconds? Correct answer is option C, Jacob Kiplimo. Who won the ICC Men's Cricketer of the Year 2024? Correct answer is option C, Jasprit Bumrah. Which state won the Vijay Hazare Trophy 2024-25 for the 5th time? Correct answer is option A, Karnataka. Who became the first Indian woman to score centuries in all formats? Correct answer is option A, Smriti Mandhana. Who became the first Indian woman to score the fastest double century in women's test cricket? Correct answer is option D, Shafali Verma. Who won the Memory League World Championship 2025? Correct answer is option A, Vishwa Rajakumar. Who was awarded the ICC Women's ODI Cricketer of the Year 2024? Correct answer is option D, Smriti Mandhana. Which country won the ICC Under-19 Women's T20 World Cup 2025? Correct answer is option A, India. Which player made history by breaking a 39-year-old record in the women's 400-meter hurdles? Correct answer is option D, Vidya Ramraj. Where was 9th Asian Winter Games 2025 held? Correct answer is option D, Harbin, China. Who has been awarded the Arjun Lifetime Award in 2025? Correct answer is option C, Murlikant Petkar and Sucha Singh. How many athletes were awarded the Arjun Awards in 2025? Correct answer is option B, 32. Which country hosted the ICC Under 19 Women's T20 World Cup 2025? Correct answer is option B, Malaysia. Which country will host the FIFA World Cup in 2034? Correct answer is option C, Saudi Arabia. Which country will host the Commonwealth Games in 2026? Correct answer is option D, Scotland. Which country will host the 20th edition of Asian Games in 2026? Answer is Japan. Which state will host the 39th edition of the National Games in 2027? Answer is Meghalaya. Who is the winner of Santosh Trophy 2024? Answer is option C, West Bengal. Which city will host the 34th edition of the Summer Olympics in 2028? Answer is option C, Los Angeles. Where will the next Kho World Cup 2026 held? Answer is option C, Birmingham, England. In which format will cricket be played at the Los Angeles 2028 Olympic Games? Answer is option D, T20. Which young Indian athlete won a bronze medal at the World Professional Jiu-Jitsu Championship? Answer is option B, Giovanna Di Secchiora. The 2025 Asian Archery Championship took place in which country? Answer is option D, Bangladesh. Who won the World Chess Championship 2024 and became the youngest World Chess Champion? Answer is option B, Gukesh Domaraju. Which state hosted the Women's Kabaddi World Cup 2025? Answer is option B, Bihar. Which state is the host of 17th National River Rafting Championship 2025? Answer is option C, Himachal Pradesh. Who won the Chhattisgarh Open Golf Championship title 2025? Answer is option A, Shaurya Bhattacharya. Who won gold medal in the women's 75 kg boxing event at the National Games 2025? Correct answer is option A, Lavlina Borgohain. Which book received the Bal Sahitya Puraskar 2025 for Hindi language? Correct answer is option C, 1/12. Who was awarded the Pradhan Mantri Rashtriya Bal Puraskar 2025 in the sports category? Correct answer is option C, Vaibhav Suryavanshi. Which series won the Best Series Critics Award at the Filmfare OTT Awards 2025? Correct answer is option B, Patal Lok Season 2. Here is the winners list of Filmfare OTT Awards 2025. Who was named PETA India's Person of the Year for 2025? Correct answer is option B, Raveena Tandon. Who was awarded the first ever FIFA Peace Prize in December 2025? Correct answer is option C, Donald Trump. Who was crowned Miss Universe 2025? Correct answer is option A, Fatima Bosch. Which Indian railway station was honored with the National Energy Conservation Award 2025? Correct answer is option B, Miana Railway Station, Guna, Madhya Pradesh. Who received the Transformational Leader of the Year award at the NDTV Indian of the Year 2025? Correct answer is option C, Jay Shah. Who won the Booker Prize 2025 for his novel Flash? Correct answer is option B, David Cicely. Who was named Times CEO of the Year 2025? Correct answer is option C, Neil Mohan. Who from India was honored with the Champions of the Earth Award 2025 by the United Nations? Correct answer is option B, Supriya Sahu. Which bank was named the Global Bank of the Year 2025 by the Banker? Correct answer is option D, DBS Bank. Who became the youngest recipient of the Global Human Society's Animal Welfare Award? Correct answer is option B, Anant Ambani. Which state ranked first in the Best State category at the 6th National Water Awards 2024? Correct answer is option B, Maharashtra. Who won the Best Actress Award at the Filmfare Awards 2025? Correct answer is option A, Alia Bhatt. Which Indian city has been recognized as a UNESCO City of Gastronomy in 2025? Correct answer is option B, Lucknow. Which film won the Golden Peacock Award for Best Film at the International Film Festival of India 2025? Correct answer is option A, Skein of Youth. Who won the 2025 Nobel Prize in Literature? Correct answer is option C, Laszlo Krasna-Horsky. Here is the winners list of Nobel Prize 2025. Which institute won the title of India's Best Health Technology Assessment Institute at the ARISE 2025 National Conclave? Correct answer is option C, PGIMER Chandigarh. Which Indian film has been shortlisted for the Best International Feature Film category at the 98th Academy Awards? Correct answer is option A, Homebound. Who became the first Indian to receive the Canton R. Miller Award for Innovation in Sustainable Protected Area Management? Correct answer is option A, Sonali Ghosh. Which is the highest national honor of Oman conferred upon Prime Minister Narendra Modi during his visit to Muscat? Correct answer is option D, the first class of the Order of Oman. Which airport was named the world's best international airport for 2025 at the Travel Plus Leisure India's Best Awards? Correct answer is option C, Singapore Changi Airport. Which actress was honored with the Golden Globes Horizon Award at the Red Sea International Film Festival 2025? Correct answer is option C, Alia Bhatt. Who was honored with the prestigious 40 Under 40 Lawyer Award 2025? Correct answer is option B, Advocate Shubham Avasthi. Which CRPF officer was awarded the Union Minister's Efficiency Medal for exemplary service? Correct answer is option C, Dinesh Khatak. Who was posthumously awarded the Vigyan Ratna in 2025 for lifetime achievement in science? Correct answer is option B, Dr. Jayant Vishnu Narlikar. Which Indian organization won the Raman Magsaysay Award 2025? Correct answer is option B, Educate Girls. Who received the 2025 World Leader for Peace and Security Award? Correct answer is option C, Shri Shri Ravi Shankar. Who received the Manohar Parrikar Yuva Scientist Award 2025? Correct answer is option D, Dr. Sai Gautam Gopalakrishnan. Who was named Times Athlete of the Year 2025? Correct answer is option D, Asa Wilson. Who was named Times Entertainer of the Year 2025? Correct answer is option B, Leonardo DiCaprio. Nina Kalu recently made history by becoming the first artist with a learning disability to win which prestigious award? Correct answer is option B, Turner Prize. Which is Ethiopia's highest national honor conferred upon Prime Minister Narendra Modi during his visit to Addis Ababa? Correct answer is option B, the Great Honor Nishan of Ethiopia. Which Indian company won the 2025 FIA European Rally Championship team's title? Correct answer is option C, MRF Tires. Who won the British Academy Book Prize for his book The Burning Earth? Correct answer is option B, Sunil Amrit. Who was honored as a 2025 Top Agri-Food Pioneer by the World Food Prize Foundation? Correct answer is option C, Sanjeev Kapoor. Who was posthumously honored with the P.V. Narasimha Rao Memorial Award 2025 for Economics? Correct answer is option B, Manmohan Singh. Who has been honored with the Dada Saheb Phalke Award for the year 2023? Correct answer is option C, Mohanlal. Who was awarded the Living Bridge Honor for fostering India-UK relations and concluding the India-UK Free Trade Agreement? Correct answer is option C, Keir Starmer. Who was awarded the Best Actress Award at the 71st National Film Awards? Correct answer is option A, Rani Mukherjee. Who won the 2025 Ursula K. Le Guin Prize for Fiction? Correct answer is option A, Vajra Chandrasekhar. Who became the first Indian woman to win the title of Mrs. Universe in 2025? Correct answer is option C, Sherry Singh. Which organization was honored with the Changemaker of the Year award at the Business Line Changemaker Awards in September 2025? Correct answer is option D, Defense Research and Development Organization. Which Gram Panchayat won the Gold Award at the National E-Governance Awards 2025 for Digital Innovation? Correct answer is option D, Rohini Gram Panchayat. Who has been awarded the International Booker Prize 2025? Correct answer is option A, Banu Mushtaq. Who won the Best Director Award in the Horizonte section at the 82nd Venice Film Festival? Correct answer is option B, Anupama Roy. Who has been selected for the Hombel Sanhita Harini Kumar Alumni Krishi Media Award 2025? Correct answer is option B, Amshi Prasanna Kumar. Which country has honored with the ISSA Award 2025 for outstanding achievement in social security? Correct answer is option D, India. Who won the title of Miss Universe India 2025? Correct answer is option B, Manika Vishwakarma. Which book by Gitanjali Shri, translated by Daisy Rockwell, won the Pen Translates Award 2025? Correct answer is option B, Once Elephants Lived Here. Who has been selected for the 59th Gyanpith Award? Correct answer is option D, Vinod Kumar Shukla. Who is the author of Siddharth, the boy who became the Buddha, which won Sahitya Akademi Yuva Puraskar in English category? Correct answer is option B, Advait Kotari. Which Indian mobile application won the WSIS Champion Award Prize 2025 under the category Culture Diversity and Identity, Linguistic Diversity and Local Content? Correct answer is option C, Meri Panchayat app. Who was awarded the GP Birla Memorial Award in 2025 for outstanding contribution to India's space program? Correct answer is option C, Dr. V. Narayanan. Who became the first Indian to win the Best Magic Creator 2025 award at FISM, known as the Oscars for Magicians? Correct answer is option A, Suhani Shah. Which film won the Best Film Award at the Indian Film Festival of Melbourne 2025? Correct answer is option B, Homebound. Who won the United Nations Population Award 2025? Correct answer is option A, Varsha Deshpande. Who was awarded the Order of the Most Ancient Welwitschia Mirabilis, Namibia's highest civilian award, in July 2025? Correct answer is option B, Narendra Modi. Who won the Payne Pinter Prize 2025? Correct answer is option D, Leela Abulela. Which state won the IESA Industry Excellence Award 2025 in the State Leadership Battery Manufacturing category? Correct answer is option C, Telangana. Who was crowned Miss World 2025? Correct answer is option A, Opal Suchata Chwangsari. Who won the Sahitya Akademi Yuva Puraskar 2025 for the book Fir Ugna in Hindi? Correct answer is option A, Parvati Tirki. Which organization received the National Geospatial Practitioner Award 2025? Correct answer is option D, Indian National Center for Ocean Information Services. Which Indian animated film won the Jury Award for Best Commissioned Film at the NSC International Animation Festival 2025? Correct answer is option C, Desi Oon. Which media house won the title of Champion of Digital Media Awards South Asia 2025? Correct answer is option C, The Hindu. Who was awarded the Global Indian of the Year by the Canada India Foundation in 2025? Correct answer is option D, Sadhguru. Who has been honored with the Gold Mercury Award for Peace and Sustainability in April 2025? Correct answer is option B, Dalai Lama. Who was awarded the Abel Prize 2025? Correct answer is option C, Masaki Kashiwara. Who became the first Indian actress to receive a star on the Hollywood Walk of Fame in 2025? Correct answer is option A, Deepika Padukone. Which organization was conferred the Digital Payments Award 2024-25 for expanding digital financial services in India? Correct answer is option B, India Post Payments Bank. Which school won the first prize in the NASA NSS Space Settlement Design Contest 2025 for the 8th grade category? Correct answer is option A, SRN Mehta CBSE School, Kalaburgi. Who became the first Indian origin musician to win an American Music Award in 2025? Correct answer is option A, Raja Kumari. Who won the talent finale of Miss World 2025 held at Hyderabad? Correct answer is option D, Monica Kazia Sambering. Who became the first Indian lawyer to receive the Medal of Honor from the World Jurist Association at the World Law Congress 2025? Correct answer is option D, Bhuvan Ribu. Which Swedish startup won the 2025 Food Planet Prize for developing sustainable nitrogen fertilizers using plasma technology? Correct answer is option A, NitroCapt. Who won the inaugural Fred Darrington Award for Excellence in Art and Culture for a sand sculpture promoting world peace? Correct answer is option B, Sudarshan Patnaik. Who was honored with the Gates Cambridge Impact Prize in 2025? Correct answer is option B, Professor Urbasi Sinha. Who received the Kalinga Ratna Award 2024 from President Draupadi Murmu in Cuttack, Odisha? Correct answer is option B, Dharmendra Pradhan. Who won the Best Director Award at the IFA Awards 2025? Correct answer is option A, Kiran Rao. Who was honored with the National Maritime Varuna Award 2025? Correct answer is option B, Captain Rajesh Unni. Who was honored with Fiji's highest award, the Companion of the Order of Fiji, in April 2025? Correct answer is option C, Madhusudan Sai. Which Indian actor was honored with the Lifetime Achievement Award by the UK government for contributions to cinema and public service? Correct answer is option C, Chiranjeevi. Who became the first Indian to receive the Ramsar Award for wetland wise use? Correct answer is option A, Jayashree Venkateshan. Who was honored with the Legends of Endoscopy Award in Tokyo in April 2025? Correct answer is option A, Dr. D. Nageshwar Reddy. Which digital platform received the Prime Minister's Award for Excellence in Public Administration 2024? Correct answer is option B, Poshan Tracker. Which organization was honored with the Udyog Vikas Award in 2025 for its pivotal role in transforming India's industrial and logistical landscape? Correct answer is option A, National Industrial Corridor Development Corporation. Which Indian airport was awarded the Platinum Honor in the ACI Green Airports Recognition 2025? Correct answer is option C, Hubli Airport, Karnataka. Who was awarded an honorary doctorate by Constantine the Philosopher University in Slovakia? Correct answer is option C, President Draupadi Murmu. Which Indian filmmaker was honored with the French title Officer of the Order of Arts and Letters in 2025 for her contributions to cinema? Correct answer is option B, Payal Kapadia. Which Indian endocrinologist was honored with the 2025 Committee of Scientific Advisors Medal of Achievement by the International Osteoporosis Foundation? Correct answer is option A, Dr. Ambrish Mittal. Who received the Varshol Dalit Literary Award from the Neelam Cultural Center in April 2025? Correct answer is option B, P. Sivakami. Who was honored with the Icon of Excellence Award at the 14th edition of FILA 2025? Correct answer is option C, Jay Shah. Who received the Lifetime Achievement in Hospitality and Education through Technology Award at the Vibrant Bharat Global Summit 2025? Correct answer is option A, Dr. Suborno Bose. Who has been selected for the Sangeet Kalanidhi Award for 2025 by the Music Academy? Correct answer is option B, R.K. Shriram Kumar. Which state's police won the Scotch Award for Excellence in the Police and Safety category? Correct answer is option C, Uttar Pradesh. Which Indian industrialist was awarded the Knight's Cross of the Order of Dannebrog by the King of Denmark? Correct answer is option C, Vijay Shankar. Who was awarded the Stockholm Water Prize 2025 for pioneering work in flood risk analysis and water resource management? Correct answer is option D, Gunter Bloschel. Who was honored with the Governor of Massachusetts citation in 2025? Correct answer is option B, Neeta Ambani. Which microfinance institution won 2 gold awards at the Scotch Awards 2025 for its contributions to women's empowerment? Correct answer is option B, Muthoot Microfin. Which Indian airport won the 2024 Airport Service Quality Airport Experience Award for Best Airport in Asia Pacific? Correct answer is option D, Indira Gandhi International Airport, Delhi. Who was awarded the World Food Prize 2025 for pioneering sustainable farming innovation? Correct answer is option C, Dr. Maria Angela Hungria. Who was awarded the Maharashtra Bhushan Award in 2025 for designing the Statue of Unity? Correct answer is option B, Ram Sutar. Which company won the Gold Award in the Green Highways category at the 6th National Highways Excellence Award 2023? Correct answer is option B, Ashoka Buildcon. Which city awarded the President of India Srimati Draupadi Murmu the City Key of Honor during her visit? Correct answer is option B, Lisbon. Who has been awarded the Major Dhyanchand Khel Ratna Award for the year 2024? Correct answer is option E, all of the above. Gukesh Domaraju, Praveen Kumar, Manu Bhakar and Harmanpreet Singh. Which organization has been chosen for the Subhash Chandra Bose Disaster Management Award 2025 in the institutional category? Correct answer is option B, INCOIS. Which Bollywood actor received the Master Humor Award at the Macau International Comedy Festival 2025? Correct answer is option D, Amir Khan. Who was awarded the ICC Men's T20 International Cricketer of the Year 2024? Correct answer is option B, Arshdeep Singh. Which project from Nagaland received the Scotch Award 2024 at the 100th Scotch Summit? Correct answer is option B, Nagaland Forest Management Project. Who has been honored with the 34th Vyas Samman in 2024 for her novel कौन देश को वासी वेणु की डायरी? Correct answer is option B, Surya Bala. Who has been honored with the 34th Saraswati Samman? Correct answer is option C, Dr. Bhadresh Das Swami. Who has been honored with the CNN News 18's Indian of the Year 2025 for outstanding achievement? Correct answer is option C, Jay Shah. Who won the Men's Ballon d'Or Award 2025? Correct answer is option B, Osman Dembele. Who has been honored with the Dronacharya Award in 2025? Correct answer is option D, both A and B, Dipali Deshpande and Armando Colaco. Who has been awarded the Arjun Lifetime Award in 2025? Correct answer is option C, Murlikant Petkar and Sucha Singh. How many athletes were awarded the Arjun Awards in 2025? Correct answer is option B, 32. Who was honored with the Padma Shri in 2025 for revolutionizing apple farming? Correct answer is option D, Hariman Sharma. Who won the Grammy Award for Best New Age Ambient or Chant Album in 2025? Correct answer is option A, Chandrika Tandon. Who has been honored with the Indian of the Year 2025 award in the business category? Correct answer is option B, Baba Kalyani. Who was honored with the first global MS Swaminathan Award for Food and Peace? Correct answer is option B, Professor Ademola A. Adenle. Who won the 2025 CII Quality Ratna Award for pioneering quality leadership and advancing India's manufacturing capabilities? Correct answer is option B, Venu Srinivasan. What is India's rank in the Henley Passport Index 2025 published in October? Correct answer is option A, 85th. What is India's rank in the latest released Climate Change Performance Index 2026? Correct answer is option B, 23rd. What is India's rank in the Global Innovation Index 2025? Correct answer is option B, 38th. What is India's rank in the Global Hunger Index 2025? Correct answer is option A, 102nd. What is India's rank in the Global Gender Gap Index 2025? Correct answer is option D, 131st. Which country has topped the World Talent Ranking 2025? Correct answer is option A, Switzerland. Which city ranked first in the National Annual Report and Index 2025 on women's safety? Correct answer is option D, Kohima. What is India's rank in the Global Peace Index 2025? Correct answer is option B, 115th. What is India's rank among 147 countries in the World Happiness Report 2025? Correct answer is option B, 118th. Which Indian city ranked highest in the Global AI City Index 2025? Correct answer is option B, Bengaluru. What is India's rank in the UN Sustainable Development Goals Index 2025? Correct answer is option C, 99th. Which Indian city ranked highest in the Smart City Index 2025? Correct answer is option A, New Delhi. What is India's rank in the World Press Freedom Index 2025? Correct answer is option C, 151. Which airport topped the World Airport Rankings 2025? Correct answer is option B, Singapore Changi Airport. Which state topped the India Justice Report 2025? Correct answer is option C, Karnataka. What is India's rank in the Human Development Index 2025? Correct answer is option A, 130th. Which Indian institute topped the QS World University Rankings 2026? Correct answer is option C, IIT Delhi. Who launched the second edition of the Northeastern Region District SDG Index 2023-24? Correct answer is option C, Niti Aayog. What was India's rank in the 2025 Future of Free Speech Index released by the US based think tank The Future of Free Speech? Correct answer is option B, 24th. What is India's rank in the Global Firepower Index 2025? Correct answer is option D, 4th. What is India's rank in the Corruption Perceptions Index 2024 released in February 2025? Correct answer is option B, 96th. Which state has topped the Panchayat Devolution Index 2025? Correct answer is option D, Karnataka. What is the rank of India in the Global AI Investment 2025 as per UNCTAD Technology and Innovation Report 2025? Correct answer is option C, 10th. What is India's rank in the QS World Future Skills Index 2025? Correct answer is option C, 25th. What is India's rank in the Climate Risk Index 2025? Correct answer is option D, 6th. What is India's rank among 163 countries in the Global Terrorism Index 2025? Correct answer is option C, 14th. Which state has topped the Fiscal Health Index 2025 released by Niti Aayog? Correct answer is option D, Odisha. Which Indian university secured the top position in the Times Higher Education Asia University Rankings 2025? Correct answer is option D, IISc Bengaluru. What is the rank of India in the World Air Quality Report 2024? Correct answer is option D, 5th. Which Indian brand was ranked as the most valuable in the Brand Finance Global 500 report 2025? Correct answer is option C, Tata Group. What is India's rank in the Energy Transition Index 2025? Correct answer is option A, 71. What is the rank of India in Network Readiness Index 2024? Correct answer is option C, 49th. What was India's rank in the US Green Building Council's 2024 Global Lead Green Buildings list? Correct answer is option C, 3rd. Who released the 6th edition of the State Energy Efficiency Index 2024? Correct answer is option B, Bureau of Energy Efficiency. What is India's rank in the International Intellectual Property Index 2025 released by US Chambers of Commerce? Correct answer is option D, 43rd. What is India's rank in the Global Soft Power Index 2025? Correct answer is option B, 30th. According to the Asia Power Index 2025, which country became Asia's third most powerful nation? Correct answer is option B, India. What is India's rank in the Future Possibilities Index 2024? Correct answer is option B, 35th. What is India's rank in the Rule of Law Index 2024? Correct answer is option D, 79th. Who publishes the Global Multidimensional Poverty Index? Correct answer is option A, United Nations Development Programme and the Oxford Poverty and Human Development Initiative. What is the rank of India in the AI Preparedness Index 2024? Correct answer is option C, 72. Which Indian university ranked highest in the QS Asia Rankings 2025? Correct answer is option B, IIT Delhi. Which state topped the first Panchayat Advancement Index for 2022-23 with the highest number of front runner Gram Panchayats? Correct answer is option C, Gujarat. What is the rank of India in the Global Nature Conservation Index 2024? Correct answer is option D, 176. What is India's rank in the Hurun Global Unicorn Index 2025 with 64 unicorns? Correct answer is option C, third. What is the rank of India in the Global Cybersecurity Index 2024? Correct answer is option B, Tier 1. Which state topped the State Food Safety Index 2024? Correct answer is option B, Kerala. What rank New Delhi and Mumbai gets in the Global Livability Index 2025? Correct answer is option A, 141. What is the rank of India in the World Competitiveness Index 2025? Correct answer is option A, 41. Which country topped the Global Innovation Index 2025? Correct answer is option B, Switzerland. What is India's rank in UNCTAD's Global Readiness for Frontier Technologies Index? Correct answer is option C, 36. Where was the second World Summit for Social Development held in November 2025? Correct answer is option A, Doha, Qatar. Where was the G20 Leaders Summit 2025 held in November? Correct answer is option D, Johannesburg, South Africa. Which country hosted the World Health Summit 2025? Correct answer is option B, Germany. Where was the 25th SCO Summit 2025 held? Correct answer is option C, Tianjin, China. Where was India Mobile Congress 2025 held in October? Correct answer is option C, Yashobhumi, New Delhi. Where was the 11th World Green Economy Summit 2025 held? Correct answer is option C, Dubai, United Arab Emirates. Where was the United Nations Climate Change Conference 2025 held in November? Correct answer is option C, Belém, Brazil. Which ministry launched the Viksit Bharat Buildathon 2025? Correct answer is option D, Ministry of Education. Where was the National Conference on Land and Disaster Management 2025 held? Correct answer is option B, Gandhinagar, Gujarat. Where was the first global conference on manuscript heritage held in September? Correct answer is option A, New Delhi. Where was the 68th Commonwealth Parliamentary Conference held in October 2025? Correct answer is option D, Barbados. Where was the first BIMSTEC traditional music festival, Saptasur, held in August 2025? Correct answer is option C, New Delhi. Where was the 28th National Conference on E-Governance held? Correct answer is option B, Vishakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. Where was the IUCN World Conservation Congress 2025 held? Correct answer is option A, Abu Dhabi, United Arab Emirates. Who organized the 11th India Mass Summit 2025 held in New Delhi? Correct answer is option A, FICCI and IIMR. Where was the Semicon India 2025 held? Correct answer is option C, New Delhi. Where was the 7th Future Food Forum 2025 held? Correct answer is option B, Dubai, United Arab Emirates. Where was the 17th BRICS Summit 2025 held? Correct answer is option A, Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. Where was the first ever Armed Forces National Conference, SHAPE 2025, organized in July? Correct answer is option A, New Delhi. Which country hosted the 51st G7 summit in 2025? Correct answer is option B, Canada. Where was the Quad Foreign Ministers meeting 2025 held? Correct answer is option D, Washington DC, USA. Where was the 6th BIMSTEC Summit 2025 held in April? Correct answer is option D, Bangkok, Thailand. Which country hosted the ASEAN Summit 2025? Correct answer is option C, Malaysia. Where was the World Food India 2025 held? Correct answer is option C, New Delhi. Which country was the host of the NATO Summit 2025 held in June? Correct answer is option A, Netherlands. Where was the UN Ocean Conference 2025 held in June? Correct answer is option C, Nice, France. Where was the Indian Conservation Conference 2025 held? Correct answer is option A, Dehradun, Uttarakhand. Where was 353rd governing body meeting of the International Labour Organization held? Correct answer is option A, Geneva, Switzerland. Where was the International Conference on Glaciers Preservation held in 2025? Correct answer is option A, Dushanbe, Tajikistan. Where was the second ISTRI Summit 2025 on Women's Safety and Empowerment held? Correct answer is option A, Hyderabad. Where did the World Air Transport Summit take place in June 2025? Correct answer is option A, New Delhi. Where was 11th BRICS Parliamentary Forum 2025 held in June? Correct answer is option C, Brasilia, Brazil. Where was the Bharat Calling Conference 2025 held? Correct answer is option D, Mumbai. Where was the 8th Indian Ocean Conference held in February 2025? Correct answer is option C, Muscat, Oman. Where was Asia International Security Summit and Expo held in January 2025? Correct answer is option A, Putrajaya, Malaysia. Where was the Controllers Conference 2025 held? Correct answer is option A, New Delhi. Where was the fourth meeting of the India Central Asia Dialogue held in June 2025? Correct answer is option B, New Delhi. Which country was the host of the 10th edition of Raisina Dialogue 2025? Correct answer is option D, India. Where was 69th session of the United Nations Commission on the Status of Women held? Correct answer is option B, New York. Where was the first World Audiovisual Entertainment Summit 2025 held in May? Correct answer is option A, Mumbai. Where was Global Investor Summit 2025 held? Correct answer is option D, Bhopal. Where was Global Justice, Love and Peace Summit 2025 held? Correct answer is option B, Dubai. Where was the first international conference on carbon markets, Prakriti 2025 held? Correct answer is option C, New Delhi. Where was the ninth edition of the Global Technology Summit held in April 2025? Correct answer is option C, New Delhi. Where was the Artificial Intelligence Action Summit 2025 held? Correct answer is option A, Paris, France. Where was World Sustainable Development Summit 2025 held? Correct answer is option C, New Delhi. Which country hosted the first regional social justice dialogue in February 2025? Correct answer is option D, India. Where was the inaugural Raisina Middle East Conference 2025 held? Correct answer is option C, Abu Dhabi, United Arab Emirates. Where was the fourth No Money for Terror conference held? Correct answer is option B, Munich, Germany. Where was the Seoul Leadership Conclave 2025 held? Correct answer is option C, Bharat Mandapam, New Delhi. Who inaugurated GridCon 2025, the international conference cum exhibition on 9th March 2025? Correct answer is option C, Manohar Lal Khattar. Who represented India at the Mobile World Congress 2025 in Barcelona, Spain? Correct answer is option C, Jyotiraditya M. Scindia. Which city was the host of international art exhibition Topographies of Tents, Terracotta and Time? Correct answer is option A, Hyderabad. Which city was the host of inaugural All India Transgender Conference held in 2025? Correct answer is option B, Ajmer, Rajasthan. Where was the World Government Summit 2025 held? Correct answer is option D, Dubai. Where was the annual conference of the International Institute of Administrative Science 2025 held? Correct answer is option C, New Delhi. Where was the World Hydrogen Summit 2025 held in May? Correct answer is option B, Rotterdam, Netherlands. Which country was the host of Youth Council Entrepreneurship Working Group meeting in 2025? Correct answer is option C, India. Where was the 58th annual meeting of the Board of Governors of the Asian Development Bank held? Correct answer is option A, Milan, Italy. Where was Asia's premier food and beverage trade exhibition Indus Food 2025 held in January? Correct answer is option D, Greater Noida, India. Where was the second BIMSTEC expert group meeting on cybersecurity cooperation hosted by India? Correct answer is option D, New Delhi. Where was the Gujarat Semiconnect Conference 2025 held? Correct answer is option C, Gandhinagar. So friends, that's all in today's video. Today's question for you. Who was awarded the Pradhan Mantri Rashtriya Bal Puraskar 2025? Who has taken charge as the chairman of the Central Board of Indirect Taxes and Customs? Which athlete was the most successful at the Khelo India University Games 2025? So friends, share the answer in the comment box and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.